Cedar Impressions triple 5-inch Sawmill shingles install very similarly to other Cedar Impressions panels. So be sure to watch our video on installing Cedar Impressions shingles and shakes, along with this section before installing. Here are the differences for installing the triple 5-inch panels. Strike a level line around the house and install shingle starter strip. If you plan to use restoration millwork corner posts or a pocketed vinyl carpentry corner, hold the starter back to allow room for installation of the corner. If you plan to use the Cedar Impressions triple 5-inch mitered corners, hold the starter back 2 3/4 inches from each end of the wall. This spacing is unique, as all other Cedar Impressions corners require a 3-inch holdback. For the first course, cut off 4 inches from the right side of the panel at the 4-inch indicator. This will create a straight right side edge for the first panel. Install the panel and space it 1/4 inch from the end of the accompanying accessory if installing in temperatures 40 degrees or above, and 3/8 of an inch if below 40 degrees. Fasten the panel to the wall by first nailing through the round center hole in the nailing hem at the top of the panel. Then, continue nailing with 5 nails, 1 in the right end nail slot, and 1 at each of the quick reference nail mark indicators. Like other Cedar Impressions panels, leave 1/8 of an inch to 1/16 of an inch between the nail heads and the panel to allow for expansion and contraction. The 555 panel features a nail stop to guide in correct nail head clearance. When installing the next panel, like other Cedar Impressions panels, refer to the panel thermometer to determine proper spacing. Gently tap the outside of the hammer tapper ribs to properly position the panel left or right. For the second course, prepare the first panel by cutting 30 inches off of the right side of the panel at indicator 30. Install the panel like previous panels. Center pin the panel by either drilling a 3/16 inch hole into the center of the remaining nail hem or drive nails into both sides of the center nail slot. As you move up the wall, continue to stagger panel courses by cutting 4 inches from the first panel in the third course, 30 inches from the first panel in the fourth course, and so on. For the best appearance and easier installation, we suggest you install the mitered offset corner post as you move up the wall. If you prefer, you can install mitered offset corner posts after the siding has been installed. Begin by removing the nail hem from the corner post to use as your starter. Install with a nail through each nail hole. Be sure to save this cut corner for finishing the final course. Hook the first corner piece over the siding, making sure the corner is locked into the nail hem starter. Nail through the top 2 slots of the corner post. Continue installing the corner pieces up the wall. When you reach the top, use the corner post that was previously cut for the starter as your final piece. Cut it to length so that there is a 1/4 inch space between it and the cornice receiver. Drill 2 holes at the top and nail in place. Finally, install the cornice molding, followed by the cornice cap for a clean finished look.